Alright, so I have this all assembled and all of my edges are slicked. You can see I'm just holding it on here with some tape. And forgot to slick all the edges on the back piece. What is going on, makers, DIYers, cosplayers, and the like of all kinds? Today marks part 2 in the leather armor series that I'm doing. I know it's a little late, things have been a little crazy, but today I have all of the pieces cut out. Those of them that are getting it have this nice, beautiful stamped border. Right now it's being held on the mannequin with some tape. Assembly and stuff is all going to be the next video, but today I'm going to be showing you how I got from those paper patterns we made last time to this. So let's dive right in. So first off, I traced my patterns onto the leather with a pen. Normally this would not be a great idea, but I'm going to do some pretty heavy edge work, so you probably won't see it anyway. But if you want to avoid this problem altogether, you can just trace it onto the back like you see me doing here. That way it doesn't matter if it shows up because no one will ever see it. So then I just cut out all of my pieces using a rotary cutter and straight edge when possible, but I needed to use an X-Acto knife for curves and interior corners. So now I'm going in with a stitching groover with the arm set to just under 1/4 inch. This is going to give me a nice solid straight border around the whole piece. I'm not doing any actual stitching, but this is going to give me a nice reference line later on for stamping, and I just kind of like the way it looks. Then I went in with a number 2 edge beveler and beveled all of my edges, both front and back. That's important for the next step, because now I'm gonna go in with my edge slicker and slick my edges by slightly damping the edge of the piece and then running my edge slicker back and forth. This creates friction, which in turn produces heat, which then shrinks the fibers of the leather, creating this nice smooth rounded edge. Then to top it off, I'm going to lay in a stamped border. This is going to hide a lot of my crimes earlier on with that stitching groove if I had some overlapping or things like that, and give a really nice professional look to the end of the piece. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and stuff down below. If you have any questions that I didn't cover in the video, feel free to leave a comment, or you can send me an email or something like that, or you can DM me on Instagram. Now you'll notice we weren't in the shop for any of this video. That's because it's going through a pretty major overhaul at the moment. So if you want to see sneak up previews and updates on that process along with this project, please give me a follow on Instagram. It'll be like here somewhere. It'll be in the description down below, along with all of the tools and materials I used for this. I got all of mine at Tandy Leather, but I'll leave links to Amazon links and stuff down below. I hope you did enjoy. Please subscribe, all that stuff. You can subscribe right here. There should be another video for you right here, the last video where I made these patterns, and possibly another video somewhere that YouTube thinks you should watch. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.